Hello students, welcome back to the exercise video. Yes, in this video we are going to do the exercise on short forms. In the previous video we have learned how to make the short forms with the verbs, right? Only the verbs can become the short forms, right? So they are will become there and he is will become he is. Those things we have already learned in the previous video. In this video we are going to do the exercise. It is in your book only, which is in page number 89. Okay, so what do we need to do in this exercise? In this exercise you are going to change the long forms, that is they are or he is or I am, whatever they have given in long forms, you need to change it into the short forms only. Okay, so let's start doing it. So before starting this, let me give you the short form. Let me give you the recap on short form. That is, he is. Whenever we are talking about is means, this is will become what? Apostrophe yes, and I have will become apostrophe we, and I am will become apostrophe m, and not will become like apostrophe t, and will become apostrophe ll. So these are the some short form which I have written. Okay, so this may be helpful for you to complete this exercise. Just keep it in mind that whenever any subject comes with is, no, you need to change it to apostrophe s, that is only. Okay, then hav he have will become apostrophe ve, and I am will become apostrophe m, and not will become n apostrophe t, and will become apostrophe ll. Okay, so let's start doing the exercise. So here one boy is going to buy a flower for his mother only, for her birthday. Okay, so in this exercise, first sentence has been done by the book by the book only. Okay, they have already done the answer. Let's start doing it from the second question. Okay, so second question is, flower seller is talking that we have some red roses. They are rupees 50 a bunch. Okay, we have some red roses. They are rupees 50 a bunch. Okay, ஒரு bunch வந்து 50 rupees. எங்க கிட்ட வந்து red roses இருக்கு. So can you find any verb here? We have. Yes, have can be changed into what, children? Just now I said yes, apostrophe we. So in this sentence we are going to change the full form of have into the short form, that is we. Then have will become apostrophe ve. Then all other sentence will come as it is. Some red roses. And then they are. Here we can see the are, and are can be changed into what, children? Apostrophe re. So this sentence will become like they apostrophe. In place of e I need to put apostrophe, then re. They are. All other words will come as it is. Rupees 50 a bunch. That's all, children. See, the changes have made in these places. So have will become the short form of have is apostrophe v, and the short form of re will become apostrophe re. That's all. There are no other verbs is present in the sentence. We can't make it into the short form. Only in these two places we can change it into short form. Okay, so let's start reading the next sentence. That is, the boy is telling that I do not have 50 rupees. I do not have 50 rupees. I have only 30 rupees. I cannot buy a bucket. Okay, he said that என்கிட்ட 50 rupees இல்லை, என்கிட்ட வந்து 30 rupees தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால நான் வந்து அந்த பூங்கொத்து வந்து என்னால் வாங்க முடியாது. So there are three sentences present in the second third question. So let's read out the one sentence. Okay, first let's complete this first sentence, that is, I do not have 50 rupees. I do not have 50 rupees. Here when a verb comes with the negative word, that is not, no, we need to change this only. Okay, here we are not going to change this have, because before that we can see the verb, that is do not. Okay, do not only we are going to change into what? What is the short form of not? Yes, that is n apostrophe t. N apostrophe T only. So here I am going to write C. The answer will become like I. Do will come as it is N apostrophe T, that is don't. Okay. Do not will become now don't. I don't have 50 rupees. So where is the changes be done? Here. That is do not now become don't. I don't have 50 rupees. Let's do the second sentence. I have only 30 rupees. So here we can see the verb have only. So we can change this have into apostrophe VE, that is the short form. So the subject will come as it is I. Then we need to put apostrophe. Then VE. Now this will become the short form. I have, that is I have only 30 rupees. 30 rupees. Then next sentence I. Now there is a word that is cannot. How can we write this cannot? Yes, there is a double N, so we need to use only one N. Then not will become apostrophe T. I can't buy a bucket. A bouquet. Okay. I can't buy a bouquet. Okay. So here the changes has made in the cannot verb only. Okay. So the cannot will become now can't. The answer see, I don't have 50 rupees. I only 30 rupees. That is I have only 30 rupees. I can't buy a bucket. So here three words have become into the short form, that is don't, I've, and then can't. Okay. So let's go for the third one, that is D1. Flower seller is saying that your mother will love rose sticks. It is 6 rupees per sticks. Your mother will love rose sticks. It is 6 rupees per stick. உங்க மம்மிக்கு வந்து ரோஸோட ஸ்டிக் ஒன்லி ஒன் சிங்கிள் ரோஸ். ஓகே. அந்த ரோஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், நீ வேணா இது வாங்கிட்டு போ, அது வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டிக் வந்து 6 rupees தான் அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்றது? ஃப்ளவர் செல்லர் சொல்றாங்க. ஓகே. ஸோ let's make the long form into short form. Let's do for the first sentence, that is your mother will love rose sticks. Your mother will love, here the verb is present, that is will, that is the auxiliary verb. This will is going to shorten to what? Yes, apostrophe LL. We are going to remove this WI. In the place of WI, we are going to use apostrophe. See, now the answer will become like your mother will, here only, right? Apostrophe LL. Your mother love rose sticks. Next sentence, it is 6 rupees per stick. It is 6 rupees per sticks. Here we can shorten this is. How? By removing this I need to put apostrophe, then yes. Now it will become like it's. It's 6 rupees per stick. So here in this question we have changed the we have made the changes in the places of will, that is your mother will become your mother. Okay. And it is will become now it's. Okay. So here WILL will become apostrophe LL, and this it is IS will become I apostrophe S only. Okay children, so keep in your mind these things only. So whenever if you find not in a sentence, okay, with the auxiliary verb, that is do form verb, we have already learnt about do form verb, have family, and also about the be form verb. Am I right? So be family. So whenever if a sentence in a sentence if you find any be family verb or do family verb or have family verb, that only you are going to make the changes. And also to the will family, okay, that is will or would or and also the negative form of can or cannot or will, and also would and do form have form. Whenever the negative form, that is any auxiliary verb comes with not, there also we are going to make the short form only, that is do not will become don't, cannot will become can't, would not will become wouldn't, and will not will become won't. So those things one there we are going to make changes. And we know the short form of have. What is the short form of have? That is apostrophe be. What is the short form of is? That is apostrophe yes. What is the short form of are? That is apostrophe re. And what is the short form of will? That is apostrophe ll. So these are the basic things that you need to know. I hope you are clear with this exercise. Try to do the other questions by yourself. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.